everyone, I am Sabrina and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are simply going to look at a sneak peek of my upcoming tutorial, which is for this cardigan that I'm wearing. Yes, it's true. I have just about 20 minutes ago added the buttons, and so it is finished and completed. I just have to work on the videos, do lots of editing, do some writing, and then it'll be ready to upload. So I have a little question for you guys about this tutorial. But first of all, I will show you the cardigan itself. I might have to stand on the box because I'm not tall enough, but that's okay. So here's my tutorial. It's pretty much made to measure, and I've designed this in 3 sizes, but if your size is not in these brackets, don't worry. I will talk about it at the beginning as pattern notes. So please make sure to watch the pattern notes because it's very important. You could make this in absolutely any size that you like, and you just have to watch the notes. It's very important. Okay, so my cardigan, I really am excited, called Melody Cardy. There we go. So I will stand a little bit more now and show you a little bit more in detail. There we are. And this is the stitch in close up. It is basically just a crochet moss stitch. I don't know if you can see. There we are. This is it here. It really is made to measure. Now, and then if I turn around, you'll be able to see the back. There we are. Gives a little bit of shape to the waist, and it's quite feminine. And I will stand on my box to show you the ribbing section. Oh dear, I never thought I would do something like that, to stand on a box to show you this, right? There we are. This is the ribbing section at the bottom. Pretty nice length, I think, for a cardigan, for a lady's cardigan. You could have it longer, of course. This is absolutely optional, but I think this is a nice height for a cardigan, right? Here we are. So I will go back and sit down for now. I just really love it. It's so nice and warm. Really warm. I've done it with a Aran yarn, which is number 4 weight in the US of A. And yeah, please let me know what you think of this. Would you like to watch the tutorial for it? My request is, would you like to have this tutorial, which will last about more than an hour and a half, I think. Was it around an hour and a half? I'm not sure. Would you like it to have in several parts, which the first part would be pattern notes and showing the pattern in the cardigan in a little bit more detail, pattern notes, material list. Part 2 will be how to do the back. Part 3 would be how to do the fronts, the fronts here, the panels. And then the next part would be how to do the sleeves. And the final part might be how to do the button bands and the collar. So would you like to have that in parts, or would you prefer to have that in one solid video? Let me know in the comment section below, please. I'm super duper excited. It will take time because editing the videos and writing the texts will take some time. But I think about 1 or 2 days time, this tutorial could be up for you to watch. So I hope you will join and enjoy this I really am very proud of this one. The Melody Cardy.